Hello guys, good morning. My name is Jonathan Torres. I am from Venezuela. I study computer science. I take this course because I would like to develop between Python and JavaScript. I would like to improve in myself and learn English too. I would like to say thank you to everything teachers at Stanford University and the college maker. In this final project, I would like to present my short script in Python that you have all the information and you change between the fields and then option to JSON models. Okay, and well, what is the information? It is in short descripted. You have three fields that says the code, the name, and the price too, right? So I need to JSON file to convert it and then have these results that I like to need to, but I would like to explain right now. Say I open this here, I copy this of the table, copy paste. Remember in this to show pen between the dot and the decimal because this is a flow, so I need to delete the dot and then I need to change the comma to dot because this is information. So I have this information that I need and then I would like to comment to Python JSON file. In this I have this information, okay? But if you see in this, I would like to change because it is next to and this, and this. Control or enter. I have often changed the information, but if you remember that it is like a vibe, I need to up to the broadcast at the front of the desk. In this, I have the information to upload in MongoDB and then I can use some of the information. Thanks for the video. I would like to say stay together. Bye bye, take care.